Before we start, take a look at your files. Seriously, are they clean or are they mess? Most people don't realize this, but messy files quietly slow you down every single day. And the worst part, you don't even notice it until you try to fix it. And that's where things get painful. Hi, my name is Sachin Diman. This is my second video on this channel, where I automate simple processes. Things that are easy when you do them 5 or 10 times, but became time consuming and error prone when it's 50, 100, or even 1000 files. Renaming one file is fine, but try doing that for hundreds. You open the wrong file, you rename things manually, and you waste time on something that should take seconds. Now imagine this: you have images, videos, and document all mixed together in one folder. Some are important, some are not, and all of them are named differently. That's where things break. Because now it's not just about renaming, it's about control. So instead of fixing file manually, I built a simple system using Microsoft PowerShell with a script that's super easy to use. The moment you run it, it scans your entire folder, not just file names but also file types. It detects what actually inside image, videos, document, and everything. And here's the best part. You don't have to rename everything. You choose what matters. You select the file type you want to rename and ignore the rest. Then you add prefix, sometimes simple, sometimes meaningful, and with one click everything gets renamed, clean, structured, and numbered. No duplicates, no confusion, and no manual work. And suddenly your folder makes sense again. But this is not just about renaming files, it's about how you think. Most people repeat the same task again and again, but the smarter approach is different. You build a system once and let it work for you forever. I have added a GitHub link in the description. It's completely free to use. If you like tools like this, subscribe because I'm not just building tools, I'm building system that saves your time. Like, share, comment, and check my other playlists.